plane just crashed with the core.
That's right, the plane just landed. If you want to win this 2024 BMW S1000RR with race and dynamic package, M-Forged wheels, quick shifter up and down, a Kropovich exhaust, and much, much more. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you're automatically entered. Check my man out right here. Got you peeking. Yeah, you know what's up, bro. You know what's up. G-Wagon, 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 G-Wagon. Let's go, Light. You taking too long. Okay, young Turbo. What's up, buddy? I see you, man. Woo! Got so much torque, boy. Good torque. Still a little bit more time, guys. If you haven't entered to win this beautiful 2024 BMW S1000RR, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate, or buy the merch, and this double R could be yours. Got up here. Anybody out here riding today? Oh no, ain't no bikes down here right now. What's up, bro? Alright. Oh no, I thought he was looking at me. Thought he was looking at me. My bad. But we out here, man. We out here. So thankful. So thankful. What's up, Pop? Alright. Alright. I see you peeking, baby. Woo! This thing is quick, baby. Woo! 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 Slide up here to the front. Roll action at. Oh, we got here. Oh, okay. I see you, baby. Look at the wheels. What you running for? Don't be scared. A little bark don't hurt. Oh, what's up, bro? I thought he was gonna say what's up to me. What my man got his hand out the window for? Oh, alright. Taking a picture of the dome. Alright, you lucky. Anywhere else, that phone might have got snatched. Shout out all of the phone snatchers. Go ahead, bro. Yeah, what you looking at me for? I'm slowing down for you. Drop top out. Okay. Okay. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Just because you with your moms, I'll let you slide. If you wasn't, oh, now you want to tiptoe in front of me, lady? Okay. Well, that's how I'm gonna end this video, guys. Until next time, I'm Full RPM. If you want this bike, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com and enter to win it.